folks, the SAK show, proudly brought to you by MacCoffee. Don't say coffee, say MacCoffee. Have you had your cup? I'm enjoying mine, and I'm telling you, you're gonna enjoy yours. As in today, we do an unboxing of something really cool and something really smart. I'm talking about NanoLeafs. If you're wondering what these are, stay tuned. NanoLeafs, there you go. I've got my first set over here, and I'm really excited about this. Now, I've heard much about them, but these are 9 panels, and it's a rhythm set. What I like about this is that you can decorate it and put it as you want. There's a cool app with it and so much more. But now let's unbox it and see if we can actually hack this thing together. NanoLeafs is a light panel smarter kit, because this one is actually the rhythm edition. Visualize your music, full animated lighting, voice control as well. That's pretty cool. I'm just gonna open it up over here, see what this is all about. So I've grabbed that, alright. This one, let's see. Ooh, smarter by design. There we go, guys. Whoa, okay. So as soon as you open it, I'll start by this. Now this is very important, by the way, because it's got your serial number here, and it's got a pin code to it, which you have to put it in the app so you can sync it. So without this, it doesn't work. Obviously, I'm not going to show you my pin code, and it's just a small instruction booklet on how we can see it. Actually, we can even pick the design of what we're going to make with our 9 panels. We can go this, Freebird, there's that. So, you know, all these varieties are there. We can pick from this. So we'll come back to that, but actually, so you can think and design one of that. So here you go. These are the connectors. 9 panels, 9 connectors. Okay, we'll use this to connect them all together. It's pretty cool. And then, these are the stickers. They're double-sided, so you can use it to stick it on your wall. If these run out, you can of course use a double-sided tape or something. Yeah. Panels are there. These are the panels now. There you go. Oh, pretty nice. Very light there. Very easy as well. They say to connect this is very simple. Everything. So these are the 9 panels and everything. And that's the charger fit, the power cord. And this is the main one. This is the main one which actually gives the source of power to all the other NanoLeafs, and there you go. Actually, this is the main one. I guess so. Okay. Connection, and more power cords. Pretty cool. I think I'll sip my coffee, and now let's try and connect this on this wall. So guys, I've just done 3 and I'm sweating. Not that easy, just have to get used to it. A word from our sponsor. When you're back, I'll be done.
My name is Zablon. I'm 3-time Mr. Kenya, fitness freak and a personal trainer. MacCoffee morning gives me the perfect start every morning. It is very fast and easy to make it. I just have to open the sachet, pour it in the cup and add hot water. You don't need sugar or milk or anything else. It is fast, convenient and tasty. Above all, it gives me energy for the whole day. And what's a better way to start my morning? I love MacCoffee morning. MacCoffee, power your now.
So there you go, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 patterns fixed, powers up. I just hooked it up on the app, downloaded the app, paired it together, and there you go, guys. So you can actually control it on your phone. The brightness, see even the colors, the rhythm. There's so much you can do about this. Actually, I've just got to switch off the light so you can see how it looks. So there you go, guys. You can see it looks fantastic. Plays through your voice. Whatever you speak, it picks it up. You can dance to that. If you put up more music, it can change accordingly. You can do a particular kind of a setup, how you like it, how the colors, everything. You can control the whole thing on your phone. That's fantastic. I'm going to enjoy playing with it. You can connect it at your home for create a certain type of a mood in your office. You know, the possibilities are endless of this. If you want to grab one of these, they're available exclusively at Avish Electric. As for now, I'm going to enjoy my cup of MacCoffee. You guys, thank you for watching. It's the SK Show, brought to you by MacCoffee on Zindagi TV.